GoPro Hero 13 Black Action Bundle Review. Ever wondered why it changes adventure filming? Ever felt frustrated missing that perfect shot because your action camera ran out of juice or you couldn't reach the controls? Drop a comment if this hits home. It's infuriating when adventures pass by too fast for your gear to keep up. Imagine a camera that keeps pace with you, captures every thrilling moment, and makes recording effortless. No compromises, no stress. Long hikes, fast-paced sports, or underwater explorations can drain batteries and patience alike. Deadlines for content creation or the fear of losing footage add pressure. Imagine if there was a way to stay fully powered and in control, no matter the environment. With longer battery life, rugged waterproof design, and remote operation, you can focus on capturing epic moments instead of troubleshooting your gear. Meet the GoPro Hero 13 Black Action Bundle, the ultimate package for adventurers and creators alike. This kit includes 2 Enduro batteries and a waterproof shutter remote, ensuring you never miss a moment. The Hero 13 Black records in stunning 5.3K, letting you grab ultra-sharp 24.7 megapixel stills directly from video footage. HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization keeps every clip buttery smooth, even when zooming down a mountain trail or hitting the waves. The camera automatically detects attached HB series lenses or ND filters, adjusting settings for perfect shots. One travel vlogger shared how a day-long snorkel session was fully captured without stopping to swap batteries, while the remote allowed precise control from a distance. With low-light performance leaps, crisp audio, and rugged waterproof design to 33 feet or 10 meters, this bundle thrives in every environment. Pro tip: using the Enduro batteries in cold conditions dramatically reduces interruptions. Comment yes if you want the bonus trick for extending shooting time on multi-day adventures. This bundle turns chaos into cinematic control. The Hero 13 Black Action Bundle elevates both performance and convenience. Users report smooth 5.3K footage with vibrant colors, no stuttering, and incredible stabilization. One expert reviewer noted, HyperSmooth 6.0 feels like a gimbal built into the camera. Even high-impact sports look cinematic. Industry analysts highlight GoPro's strategic bundling. 2 Enduro batteries and a waterproof remote create a seamless, professional-ready experience out of the box. Influencers praise the remote for solo shooting and controlling multiple angles simultaneously, while users rave about uninterrupted filming during family trips, extreme sports, and underwater adventures. One content creator stated, "The HDR and low-light upgrades on Hero 13 make dawn and dusk shots usable without excessive grain." Another said, "I can leave the camera mounted on a pole and start/stop recording effortlessly underwater. The remote is genius." Curious which feature would supercharge your workflow most: stabilization, battery life, or remote control? Comment below. From extreme sports to casual travel vlogs, this bundle ensures efficiency, reliability, and cinematic quality. Your footage isn't just stable, it's vivid, sharp, and effortlessly framed. With Hero 13 Black, every action shot is within reach, every memory captured beautifully, and every adventure fully documented. Don't miss out. Upgrade to the GoPro Hero 13 Black Action Bundle now. Limited stock is available for adventurers and creators who want complete control and uninterrupted filming. 2 Enduro batteries and the waterproof shutter remote ensure extended shooting time and effortless remote operation. Click now to unlock a bonus tip for maximizing your Enduro battery life in extreme conditions. Transform your adventures into cinematic footage today. Capture every thrill, every dive, and every jump without worrying about power, stability, or control.